In the web design industry, subtle animations are in high demand today. Get ready to impress your users with an unforgettable experience by leveraging next-level HTML and CSS skills. Learn how to add an eye-catching shine that moves seamlessly and 3D rotations that bring a realistic touch to the phone screen. So let's create this attractive effect that you can incorporate in your projects. Whenever a developer creates an app, they also need a compelling web presence to showcase it effectively. To start, we will create a basic HTML structure. Set the title of your web page, food ordering app. Link the CSS style sheet you will be using to style the content. Create a section to hold the main content of your web page. Inside the main section, create a container for the main content. Add a heading to introduce your app. Provide a brief description of your app's features. Insert a button that encourages users to take action. Next, create a container to showcase the screenshots of your app. Inside the screenshots container, add a div for the first device mockup. Place an image of the first screenshot inside this div. Add a div for the shining effect on the phone screen glass. Similarly, add a div for the second device mockup. Also, place the image of the second screenshot inside this div. Add another div for the gradient gloss effect with class name shine. Now the CSS to create the real effect. Create a class named main for a container that holds the main content of your section. We set it to flex display to horizontally align its children and added padding and background color for spacing and styling. Inside the main container, create a class named main_content. This class will allow us to control the layout and appearance of the content within the container. We have given it a flexible size using flex1, so it takes up the available space. Within main content, apply styles to h1 and p elements. By styling these elements, we are ensuring the text content in our main section is visually appealing and easy to read. Create a class button for the action button. We have ordered its appearance, including padding, background color, and font size. The transition property adds a smooth animation effect when you hover. For button hover, we are enhancing the button's visual appeal by adding a rotation effect when hovered over. Additionally, the background color changes smoothly to provide a dynamic interaction. Create a class screenshots for the container that will hold the device mockups and other elements. We have set it to display flex to arrange its children horizontally and align them in the center. Create a class device for the device mockups. This class adds style like the device size, rounded corners, shadows, and animations for entry and fade in. These properties collectively create a visually pleasing mockup. Inside device, add a device image class to ensure that these images within the mockup fit properly and maintain their aspect ratio. Create a class shine for the gradient gloss effect. This class styles a glossy overlay that appears on the top of the device mockups. Adding an element shine, the rotate 3D transformation gives it a slightly 3D rotation for a realistic touch. For device hover, we are adding a 3D rotation effect to the device mockup when hovered over, creating an engaging interactive experience. For device hover shine, the shine's position shifts slightly to the left on hover, mimicking a light reflection that responds to the user interactions. Define keyframes for animations to ensure smooth entry and fade in effects for the device class and its content. These animations improve the user experience by gradually revealing the content as the page loads. And you are ready with the desired effect. In this tutorial, you have learned a few techniques that make users feel delighted. And if you have any questions, please comment, please share and subscribe for more next level techniques. Thank you.